Midnight strikes, fireworks start, and all the guests wish each other a happy new year. When bingo is about to start and nuts rule the table, it's up to this peasant food to enter the scene. Cotechino with lentils. I'm getting hungry. Let's start with the cotechino. Here we have a pre-cooked one. You just need to dip it in water and bring it to a boil for about 20 minutes, depending on the size. If you prefer fresh cotechino, the cooking time will be longer and might reach up to 2 hours. Inside there's pork belly, rind and fresh lean meats, all wrapped in gut. His cousin, the stuffed pig's trotter, only differs from the casing. That is no other than the front leg of the pig. While the cotechino floats in safe waters, we'll deal with the lentils. These are dried lentils that I rehydrated for a couple of hours. And this is the result. Nice drizzle of oil in a saucepan, and inside some nicely chopped celery, carrot, onion. Let them saute well. That will be time for lentils, which can't be missed for New Year's Eve. Yes, as my grandmother says every year, eat lentils because they bring money. Legend has it that it was Roman custom to give at the end of the year the scarsella, a leather bag filled with lentils, since they were very similar to coins. They were told to bring good luck and especially money at the end of the year. I'm still waiting for this tradition to prove true. Salt and pepper. We flavour it with rosemary and bay leaves. And I can start to cook with a ladeful of broth. And I continue to add it until the lentils are cooked. When the cotechino is cooked, I can drain it, remove the gut and slice it. Dear GialloZafferano friends, we can now dive into the longest dinner of the year. I'll link down below the photo recipe on GialloZafferano, where you can find doses, ingredients and the step-by-step procedure. If you liked this video, please leave us a nice like, and if you have any questions, write them in the comments. If you haven't done it yet, subscribe to the channel, Cotechino with lentils. I wish you a happy new year. Bye guys. What a nice smell.